Rule 1. According to the syllables, there are 3 kinds of adjectives, 1 syllable as tall, 2 syllables as happy, and 3 or more syllables as comfortable. Use a good dictionary to find how many syllables are in a word.
He's a poor man. He's a poor man.
He's a rich man.
He's a rich man. It's a big tree. It's a big tree.
It's a small tree. It's a small tree.
It's hot water. It's hot water.
It's cold water.
It's cold water. It's dark. It's dark.
It's bright. It's bright.
She's angry. She's angry.
They're happy women. They're happy women.
It's a modern building. It's a modern building.
It's an ancient building. It's an ancient building.
He's a careful driver. He's a careful driver.
He's a careless driver. He's a careless driver.
It's a comfortable bed. It's a comfortable bed.
It's an uncomfortable bed. It's an uncomfortable bed.
It's a difficult problem. It's a difficult problem.
It's not a difficult problem. It's not a difficult problem.
They're expensive cars. They're expensive cars.
It's an inexpensive car. It's an inexpensive car.
He's an important man. He's an important man.
He's an unimportant man. He's an unimportant man.
Rule 2. Add er at the end of one-syllable adjectives and some two-syllables adjectives to make comparative forms. For other two syllables adjectives and more syllables, use more before them. Use than after the adjective when comparing. Bill Gates is rich. Elon Musk is rich. Elon Musk is richer than Bill Gates. An elm tree is tall. A palm tree is tall. A palm tree is taller than an elm tree. The living room is dark. bedroom is dark. The bedroom is darker than the living room. Horses are big. Elephants are big. Elephants are bigger than horses. She is a careless driver. He is a careless driver. He is more careless than the woman. He is angry. She is angry. She is more angry than the man. He is tired. She is tired. She is more tired than the man. The gray chair is comfortable. The brown chair is comfortable. The brown chair is more comfortable than the gray one. A Ferrari is an expensive car. A Bugatti is an expensive car. A Bugatti is more expensive than a Ferrari. Gold is valuable. Diamond is valuable. Diamond is more valuable than gold. Water is important. Oxygen is important. Oxygen is more important than water.